Giles Montessori and School. Unit 8, Poem, Lake of Innisfree, from Grade 9 English Book, Cantab Publishers. The video includes difficult words meanings, explanation of poem, questions and answers. This will help students to prepare for board exam. Difficult words and meanings. Arise, उठना, to get up or stand. Innisfree, एक जज़ीरा, a fictional or symbolic island. Cabin, झोंपड़ी, a small, simple house. Clay, matty, a type of soil used for building. Wattles, बांस, woven sticks used for building. Bean rows, फलियों की कतरें, rows of bean plants. Hive, छत्ता, a home for bees. Glade, जंगली मैदान, a peaceful, open space in a forest. Dropping slow, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता गिरना, falling gradually. Veils, पर्दे, soft, thin covers. Cricket, झिंगर, a small insect that chirps. Glimmer, चमक, a faint, soft light. Purple glow, जामनी रोशनी, a deep, rich light. Linnet, एक छोटा परिंदा, a small songbird. Lapping, छाप छाप करना, the sound of water hitting the shore. Shore, किनारा, the edge of a lake or sea. Roadway, सड़क, a road or path. Pavements, footpath, sidewalks or walkways. Core, गहराई, the innermost part. Peace, aman, a state of calm and quiet. Meanings by parts of stanzas. Rise and go, उठो और जाऊं, to get up and leave. Clay and wattles made, matty और बांस से बनाया हुआ, built using mud and woven sticks. Bee loud glade, शहद की मक्खियों से गूंजती हुई जगह, a peaceful place buzzing with bees. Peace comes dropping slow, अमन आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आता है, peace arrives gradually. Veils of the morning, सुबह के पर्दे, the soft, misty cover of dawn. Cricket sings, झिंगर की आवाज, the sound of crickets chirping. Midnight saw a glimmer, आधी रात चमकती है, midnight shines faintly. Purple glow, जामनी रोशनी, a deep, rich light. Linnet's wings, linnet परिंदे के पर, the wings of a small songbird. Lake water lapping, झील का पानी छाप छाप करता है, the gentle sound of water hitting the shore. Low sounds by the shore, किनारे पर धीमी आवाजें, soft noises near the lake's edge. Roadway or pavements gray, सड़क या सुरमय के footpath, the road or gray sidewalks. Deep heart's core, दिल की गहराई, the innermost part of the heart. 9 bean rows, no फलियों की कतरें, 9 rows of bean plants. Hive for the honey bee, शहद की मक्खियों का छत्ता, a home for bees to make honey. Explanation of poem stanza wise. Stanza 1, lines 1 to 4. The poet wants to leave his current place and go to Innisfree, a peaceful island. He dreams of building a small house using natural materials like clay and sticks. He plans to grow beans and keep bees for honey. He wishes to live alone in a quiet and natural place. Stanza 2, lines 5 to 8. The poet believes that he will find true peace in Innisfree. He describes how peace comes slowly, like the soft light of morning, the sounds of crickets, the glow of the stars at midnight, the purple shine of noon, and the fluttering wings of birds in the evening all create a calm and magical atmosphere. Stanza 3, lines 9 to 12. The poet repeats his desire to go to Innisfree. Even when he is in a busy city, he always hears the gentle sound of the lake water in his heart. This shows how deeply connected he is to nature and how much he longs for a peaceful life away from the noise of the city. Comprehension questions. What kind of place is Innisfree in the poem? Innisfree is a peaceful, natural place with a small cabin, bean fields, and bees. How well does the poet show the feelings of wanting and escaping in the lake isle of Innisfree? The poet shows strong feelings of wanting to escape to Innisfree by describing its beauty and peace. Briefly explain, what does the poet mean when they talk about the veils of the morning in relation to peace on Innisfree? How does this imagery help us feel a certain way when reading the poem? The veils of the morning means the soft, misty dawn. It makes us feel calm and peaceful. From the poem, what is the significance of Lake Isle of Innisfree to the poet? Innisfree is a special place for the poet, representing peace and a connection to nature. In your opinion, how does the poet draw a contrast between Innisfree and the city of his residence? The poet contrasts the peaceful, natural Innisfree with the noisy, grey city. In what ways can individuals today relate to the idea of finding contentment in a modest dwelling surrounded by nature? People today can relate by wanting a simple, quiet life close to nature. Identify the rhyming scheme of the poem. The rhyming scheme is above. Students are advised to refer to our previous video on rhyming schemes and understand the coding. In your opinion, what is the central theme of the poem? The central theme is finding peace and happiness in nature. How would you explain phrase hive for the honeybee suggest? It suggests a natural, simple life with bees and nature. Short summary of the poem. The poem The Lake Isle of Innisfree by William Butler Yeats expresses the poet's deep desire to escape from the busy city life and live in peace with nature. He dreams of going to Innisfree, a quiet and beautiful place, where he will build a small house using clay and sticks. He plans to grow beans and keep bees for honey, living alone in a peaceful environment. He believes that peace in Innisfree will come slowly, like the soft light of morning. He describes the beauty of nature, the singing of crickets, the shining stars at midnight, the purple glow of noon, and the birds flying in the evening. These images create a calm and magical atmosphere. Even though the poet is still in the city, he always hears the gentle sound of the lake water in his heart. This shows that his connection to nature is strong, and he longs to return to a simple and peaceful life away from the noise of the world.